So guys, as I told you before, hindi kayo maliligaw dito. Kasi every corner of the way, mayroong mga signage. So like this, Visitors Discovery Center. So toilet and exit. So we're gonna go this way, guys. Yeah, this way. And that's the way. So yeah, here we go. Palabas na po kami nito. So ayan yung flower. Ang ganda nila ng flower. Did you hear the different sound of birds? Yeah. Portia tree. Where is it? So now we are here again sa kahoy na bridge. Doon kami dumaan kanina, guys. Tapos umikot kami doon. Yan. Tapos dito na kami napunta. So ito na ngayon siya. Yan. So ito yung lake. Parang namatay yung ano, water lily. Yung iba. So look at that, guys. So may mga isda yung kanilang lake. Ayan. Siguro bawal lang mamingwit dito. Daming tilapia. Mga tilapia sila. So let's go. Ayan. Oh, dun. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Sarap na ng hangin. Refresh na refresh ka talaga dito. Diba yung hangin? Oh, ang daming birds. Ayan na, may birds, oh. So, ayan, guys. So, again, bye-bye for now. At continue natin sa next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!